Let's take this previous JEE Advanced question. It says let k belongs to R if limit x tends to 0 plus sine of sine kx plus cos x plus x whole to the power 2 by x is equal to e power 6, then the value of k is equal to what? First of all, what is the form of the limit? As x tends to 0 plus sine of sine k, sine kx is tending to 0 plus and 0 actually, and sine of 0 tends to 0 plus cos of 0 tends to 1, x tends to 0 plus. So the base is tending to 1 and the power is tending to 2 by x, that is tending to plus infinity. 2 by x is tending to plus infinity. So this is actually 1 to the power infinity form. So this limit is 1 to the power infinity form. In 1 to the power infinity form, you can say that here you have 2 by x, that is linear term in x. So since linear term in x is there, for simplicity, you can take the linear approximation of the base, okay? Because only the linear term of x is what we need to compare, okay? So let us first start with say sine of sine kx, sine of sine kx, that is approximately equal to, sine kx is approximately equivalent to kx when x is very small. So I can write this as sine of kx, and sine kx is again approximately equivalent to kx. What we are doing is we are taking the linear approximation of the function, and that linear approximation because here only linear term in x. Next cos x. Cos x is approximately 1 minus x square by 2. So you see that there is no linear term in cos x. So that means that it is not a problem if we replace cos x equal to 1 in this particular problem, right? And we have x, that is already a linear term. So we'll rewrite the limit as limit x tends to 0 plus sine of sine kx, that is kx, plus cos x is 1 and plus x to the power 1 by x whole square. Okay, we can write it like this also. This power 2 we can take it in the square. So this is equal to e power 6. Now let us consider on this limit. This is of the form, this one if you rewrite it is 1 plus k plus 1 to the k plus 1 into x. Let us rewrite here only. We can write it as limit x tends to 0 plus k 1 plus k plus 1 into x to the power 1 by x. Let me modify it to 1 by k plus 1 into x into k plus 1. Let me modify it like this, and whole square. This is equal to e to the power 6. Okay. Now you see that this part of the limit, this is directly of the form 1 plus m to the power 1 by m. We have created it like this, where m is tending to 0. So 1 plus m to the power 1 by m, this is the form of this part of the limit which tends to e, right? So this part tends to e power k plus 1 square. So now we can easily write e power k plus 1 square is equal to e power 6. So comparing the power 2 into k plus 1 should be equal to 6. That means k plus 1 is equal to 3. So the value of k must be equal to 2. Okay. So answer for this problem will be option